China has a rich culinary history that dates back thousands of years. Its diverse range of regional cuisines, cooking techniques, and ingredients make it one of the most varied and complex food cultures in the world. From spicy Sichuan dishes to delicate Cantonese dim sum, there is no shortage of delicious and unforgettable culinary experiences to be had in China. In this essay, we will explore some of the most iconic dishes and beverages in Chinese cuisine, as well as their cultural significance and history. Regional cuisines. One of the most defining features of Chinese cuisine is its regional diversity. China is divided into 8 distinct culinary regions, each with its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Some of the most well-known regional cuisines include Sichuan cuisine. Sichuan cuisine is famous for its spicy and bold flavors, often featuring a combination of chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorns, and garlic. Some popular dishes from this region include kung pao chicken, mapo tofu, and hot pot. Cantonese cuisine. Cantonese cuisine is known for its delicate and subtle flavors, featuring dishes that are often steamed or stir-fried. Dim sum is a popular Cantonese cuisine that is typically enjoyed as a light brunch or lunch. Shandong cuisine. Shandong cuisine is known for its use of seafood and fresh vegetables, as well as its emphasis on soups and stews. One of the most famous dishes from this region is the Shandong-style braised sea cucumber. Hunan cuisine. Hunan cuisine is similar to Sichuan cuisine in its use of spicy flavors, but with a greater emphasis on sour and pickled flavors. Some popular dishes from this region include spicy Hunan beef and Hunan-style hot and sour fish. Jiangsu cuisine. Jiangsu cuisine is known for its delicate and sophisticated flavors, often featuring a combination of sweet and savory tastes. Some famous dishes from this region include Jiangsu-style stewed duck and lion's head meatballs. These regional cuisines offer a glimpse into the rich and diverse culinary heritage of China, each with its own unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking styles. Iconic dishes. China has many iconic dishes that are beloved both within the country and around the world. Here are a few of the most famous dishes. Peking duck. Peking duck is a famous dish from Beijing that features crispy roasted duck with thin, delicate pancakes, scallions, and a sweet bean sauce. It is often served as a special occasion dish, and is considered a symbol of Chinese culinary culture. Xiaolongbao. Xiaolongbao, also known as soup dumplings, are a popular dim sum dish that originated in Shanghai. They are filled with a savory broth and ground pork, and are often served with black vinegar and ginger. Hot pot. Hot pot is a popular communal dining experience that involves cooking a variety of ingredients, such as meat, vegetables, and noodles, in a simmering pot of broth. It is enjoyed throughout China, but is particularly popular in Sichuan cuisine. Kung pao chicken. Kung pao chicken is a spicy and flavorful dish that features diced chicken,